Everybody, thank you for joining me another week. This is a little bit of a different video because I'm releasing it on Wednesday. And for the next couple of weeks, that's my plan. I'm starting a carburetor overhaul mini-series, if that's what you want to call it. But I'm still going to keep on releasing my videos every Friday, so don't worry. But I'm going to try to do a midweek one for the next couple of weeks, focusing specifically on carburetors. Because I was in the process of overhauling this carburetor right here, which is a DLTX Model 67 off of a John Deere B. And I was going to put together the footage and kind of just have a full video showing the complete overhaul process. But I've done that before, and they're also kind of long videos. And if someone has this very specific question on how do I remove a stuck emulsion tube from a carburetor, or what happens if I strip one of these brass plugs, how do I drill it out, you know? Some of those questions, I'm gonna document all of those individual topics in a shorter, focused, concise video addressing that single topic. So the first one is going to be on disassembly of a carburetor, like this. When you have a carburetor that you just bought on eBay, or you just pulled off of the tractor that you just pulled out of the field, and the throttle linkage or the choke linkage is stuck, how can you get those things operational or functional again? So anyway, so that's going to be the very first topic of this mini series, is the disassembly of this 53 carburetor right here. I have a little bit of footage also that I'll probably show from the disassembly of this 67 carburetor, and I don't know, I don't want this intro to be too long, but that's kind of the idea with this mini series. Focused, short, useful videos that can help people who are kind of stuck in a pickle. Anyway, with that out of the way, let's start this disassembly.